Hi, hello, good morning all. The topic that we are going to explore today in this video is I'm going to show you how I cleared phase 1 of a $5,000 account in Funding Pips, and we will further look into how did I clear phase 2 and how did I make profit with the live account, within how many days I achieved this, and the trades that I've executed. We'll see all of that in this video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. The upcoming videos that I post will be useful. Thank you so much. Right now, as you can see, I had taken the 5K account Funding Pips challenge. It's a company based in UAE, okay? I hope you all can see the details of phase 1, phase 2 and live accounts that are given here. Firstly, we will go with phase 1. We will learn about phase 1. Phase 1 means first, we will be given a profit target of 8%. The daily drawdown will be 5% and the overall drawdown will be 10% given to us. If we have made a profit of 8%, then we can and we will be able to complete a profitable phase 1 with great profit. Now the profit that I made here was, I made a profit of 8.82%. I was able to make a profit of 8.82%. So then after making this profit, I'll get a certificate. It will be available at the top right corner. I can download the PDF and keep it secured, or else what can I do here is I will download the certificate in the PDF format and I'll also be able to view my certificate in it. So this certificate presented by Funding Pips acknowledges that this trader has acquired sufficient trading skills and accordingly has passed phase 1 on February 26 of 2024. I completed my phase 1 challenge. I have downloaded my certificate priorly as soon as I received. So I won't do it now. Okay. What we are going to see currently. Now we are going to explore on what kind of trades I have made and how is my winning ratio. We will look into all that. Now, as you can see on the screen, my average win for a trade has been 155.52 and my average loss for a trade has been 46.61. My winning ratio is just 35%. The reason why I was able to clear this account with just 35% of the winning ratio is because I followed proper risk and money management. The amount of loss that we incur when we lose and the amount of profit that we make when we gain. These factors play a very important and a very major role in trading. Gains we make during profits and how little we lose during the loss both matters. So the number of days that I've executed trades are 8 days. The total trades taken is 20 and average trades per day, the average lot size, and the big win that I made was $320. The biggest win that I made was $320 and the biggest loss incurred was 66. So I'm doing great in terms of the risk management and in my money management as well. Is that right? So now we'll see how many trades have I made a profit on and how many trades have I lost on. So the maximum number of my trades were in GBP USD, British Pound US Dollar, and will be in Euro USD. I trade maximum of my trades in GBP USD. So let's see the number of profits that I made here. The profits, the gains that I made are 1, 2, 3. The gains are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Overall, the number of profitable trades that I have made are 7 trades. So the number of losses that I have incurred in the trades are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. These were the lost trades. This is a small lot. That's not a problem here. I have lost 11 trades. So in each of the 11 trades, I have only made a profit in 7 trades, but my account has still been approved. This is because during the times of my losses were of $50, $66 and $56. But during the times I made profit, the profits were comparatively huge than the losses. It was of $168, $197, $260, $132 and $320. So this is what is called as the risk and the money management. Okay. So in the market, we can trade in any concept we like to. Actually, you can do trades in SMC, price action or ICT. It is mentioned that they are trading in the name of mathematical calculations. Okay. It's not a problem to be concerned. We can trade with any concept in the market. That's not an issue at all. It's completely okay. But the trades we do right, are we following proper risk and money management in those trades? That is what matters here. It's something to be focused, okay? Now let's move on to the phase 2 challenge. Let's see how we cleared it and how many days it took us to complete the challenge. We completed the phase 2 challenge in 4 days. Overall, it took us 4 days to complete the challenge successfully. In phase 2, if you make a profit of just 5%, it's enough. But many people make the mistake here, thinking that it's a small profit which can be made easily and rush through the process. with the misconception that 5% of profit can be made easily, but it requires a lot of patience. Only if you're patient and handle the trade with caution, you'll be able to make great profit from this small percentage, which will eventually help in building profits and strengthening your psychology as well.